In the heart of a bustling city, amidst the towering skyscrapers and the ceaseless hum of traffic, lived two souls, as different as night and day. Anya, a free-spirited artist, painted the world in vibrant hues, her canvas a reflection of her boundless imagination. Ethan, a meticulous scientist, delved into the intricacies of the universe, his mind a labyrinth of complex equations. Their paths crossed one rainy afternoon at a quaint little bookshop. Anya, lost in a world of fantasy, bumped into Ethan, who was engrossed in a weighty tome on astrophysics. Their initial collision was awkward, but a shared love for books soon drew them together. As they exchanged recommendations and discussed their favorite authors, they discovered a surprising connection. Anya's vivid imagination and Ethan's logical mind complemented each other in unexpected ways. She saw the beauty in the mundane, while he found wonder in the most ordinary things. Their conversations were a delightful blend of art and science, poetry and physics. As their friendship blossomed, they began to realize that their attraction was more than just platonic. Anya was drawn to Ethan's quiet strength and intellectual curiosity, while Ethan was captivated by her infectious enthusiasm and boundless creativity. They started spending more time together, exploring the city, sharing meals, and simply enjoying each other's company. One evening, as they sat on a rooftop overlooking the city lights, Ethan confessed his feelings for Anya. She was taken aback but also filled with a sense of joy. Their love story was a testament to the power of connection, a reminder that even the most unlikely of pairs can find solace and happiness in each other's arms. And so, amidst the chaos of the city, Anya and Ethan found their own little haven, a love story that was as unique and beautiful as the city they called home.